लिटरली इतना सारा सामान देख के ना मुझे ही चक्कर आ रहा है. हाउ एंड व्हाई डिड आई बाय so many items? Hi guys, since Havana is hosting a Black Friday sale, I won't be able to shop from that haul because I've already shopped a lot, but you guys can make use of it. No, this video is not sponsored. In fact, मैंने दूसरे लोगों का कूपन कोड यूज करके बाय किया है. But wait, मैंने इतना सारा आइटम्स खरीदा है you guys. एक और पैकेट भी है. Wait. गिरना मत. Yeah. So these are the items that I've gotten. I think मैं खुद दिख नहीं रही हूँ, इतना ज़्यादा खरीदा है. Again, not sponsored at all. I'm going for a trip, so मुझे उससे पहले ये haul करना था, ये खरीदना था. So even though I knew Black Friday sale आ रहा है, I couldn't wait. ये सारे items मैं रखने वाली हूँ, इसमें से कुछ भी मैं return नहीं करने वाली हूँ. जो भी return करना था, उसको मैंने already return कर दिया. A mix of gym wear, sports wear, some tops, some winter outfits. Jeans, I've gotten bunch of jeans. It has dresses and I also have a jacket. So बहुत सारे items हैं. So this is the first part. Yeah. So welcome to the first part. आपको try on जो part है footage वो आपको side में दिखता जाएगा. MRP में डाल दूंगी, मैं sale price भी डाल दूंगी और अभी तो आपको coupon code लगा के और भी सस्ते में मिल जाएगा. So let's get started. So first I have a bunch of bottom wear. तो मैंने सोचा पहले bottom wear दिखा देती हूँ and then we'll move on in the ascending order. So I have only 4 bottoms. Let's talk about them first. The first product, this is the pair of jeans. I'll have the picture. The MRP is $15.90 and I am in the size L. So this is how the pant looks like. It's a very nice fitted pant and it goes bell bottom. So basically ये bell bottom style है, इसलिए मैंने खरीदा. Love the fit. It's slightly longer for my height. I am 5'4". So I'm gonna like cut it from down little bit, वरना ये नीचे से गंदा हो जाएगा, look खराब करेगा. It has 2 pockets. Love the fit, love the quality. तो आप try on video में देख सकते हैं ये कैसा है. This is $15.99. I'm definitely got it like a very good discount. Your girl is very chindi. I'm never gonna buy any product at MRP. The next parcel that I have is another jeans. This one costs for $12.90. This one is in this size medium. Most of the items I am in medium. Some are L. It's like a completely loose fit और यहाँ पे distressed pattern है. Distressed या ripped क्या कहते हो? Yeah, this is the pattern that it has. I really love it. One is blue color, washed blue जो बोलते हैं. काफी अच्छा लगा. It's a light thicker material. Stretch इसका इतना नहीं है. But this is the first time I'm trying out pants from Savannah. So I don't know how they're gonna perform after wash. But I really liked it so far. The fit is amazing. I really liked it. Try on clip में देख लेना कैसा लग रहा है. Then I have 2 more pants. This one is, both of them are black. I don't know why I got black, but this one is a trouser sort of a thing. And I am again in the size large. This is a very high raise. बीच में cargo pant जैसा vibe है, pockets हैं, and again it's a loose fit. Like I cannot wear skinny jeans. I really don't like skinny jeans or anything that is hugging my body. I really liked loose fit, and this one costs for $14.90 and I think I got it under 1,000 rupees. It's a synthetic material, but I really like the fit. It's very high raise, so I like this one as well. This is the third pant. Then the next pant is like a very comfortable cotton material. It's not like pant. It can be a little see-through, but मैं सबके साथ boxer shorts पहनती हूँ, cotton boxer shorts. This one has like a nada with a drawstring. Super high waist. Again, you can see simple trouser, black color का, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा मुझे. It's a cotton material. इसका cost price भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम था, if I'm not wrong. This one was 1190 और ये under 1,000 में जाए. इसका quality मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. So I think these are the 4 pants that I have. Try on video में again देख लेना. Next I'm going to show 2 dresses. So I have only 2 dresses because I'm going to a colder place. I'm not sure whether I'll be able to wear dresses. So मैंने long dress order किया है and I really like the color. I'm not sure about the fit. थोड़ा अगर हल्का अगर फिटिंग होता तो मुझे लग रहा है काफी अच्छा होता, बट ये बहुत वायरल है. आई थिंक यू माइट हैव डेफिनेटली सीन दिस वन. फेक कॉर्सेट काइंड ऑफ अ गाउन एंड दिस वन इज इन द साइज मीडियम. जॉर्जेट मटेरियल का है, वेरी कंफर्टेबल, फुल स्लीव्स, बलून स्लीव्स, बहुत ही अच्छा फ्लो है, गहरा भी काफी अच्छा है, ट्वर्ल करने के लिए मस्त लगेगा, यू नो. एंड इट हैज लाइक दिस कॉर्सेट काइंड ऑफ अ पैटर्न हियर इन फ्रंट, और पीछे फुल लेंथ का जिप मिल जाता है. आई थिंक इट्स रियली नाइस. लेंथ इसका बहुत ही अच्छा है, काफी इनएक्सपेंसिव था. द MRP 1690 एंड आई डिड नॉट बाय इट फॉर 1690 फॉर श्योर. सो ट्राई ऑन वीडियो में देख लेना. Yeah, I have another gown. This one is in a peppy blue color. I'm not sure how this one is going to go on me. It's very synthetic, थोड़ा satiny, silky कपड़ा है इसका. Winters के लिए चल जाएगा. काफी thick कपड़ा है. It's a short gown. I have a vision like how I want to shoot this in outdoor. I hope I am able to fit in. I think this one was in the size L. इसका सिर्फ एक ही problem है, neck is too deep. आप ट्राई ऑन वीडियो में देख लीजिए. तो मैं टेलर के पास जाके ये दोनों जो है ना मैं स्टिच कर दूंगी बस. दिस इज लाइक फॉलिंग विच इज लाइक टोटली अननेसेसरी, सो आई एम जस्ट गोना लाइक बटन अप और टेक अ स्टिच, दैट्स अबाउट इट. बाकी नी के अबाव है, शॉर्ट ड्रेस है. मुझे शॉर्ट ड्रेसेस बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. और यू सी दी आर्म लेंथ, इट्स लाइक बियॉन्ड लाइक हियर, गिव्स अ वेरी नाइस लुक. सो दिस वन इज द सेकेंड गाउन दैट आई हैव. मैंने एक और गाउन खरीदा है जो अभी तक it did not arrive, so I'll probably make a shot on it. I'm not gonna wait more to make this video because अगर इसमें से कुछ आपको अच्छा लगा तो maybe you can pick this from the Black Friday sale and आप लोग का फायदा होगा. So that's the reason like I'm making this video in a hurry. Moving on, I have three tops. Let me show you that. So yeah, the first top is this one. It has a fake collar kind of a situation. I really like it. Again, winter के लिए काफी अच्छा लगेगा. It is a synthetic material, so कुछ भी इसमें से जो मैं outfit दिखा रही हूँ, I don't think it's cotton and can be worn in a humid place like Mumbai. But this is how the shirt looks like. The shirt is quite cropped. You can open it, but it's like a shirt from top, and it has this fake collar, which I really like. And it also has this tie-up detail, जो आपको कैसा भी चाहिए वैसा आप tie कर सकते हो. I still haven't decided how I'm gonna wear it, but probably I'll pair this up with a long corduroy skirt or a jeans. I think it will just look good. And with the boots, I think it's gonna be put together. And by the way, I am in the size medium, and this one cost for 990. Again, I've got it at a much lesser price. Then I got another shirt. I don't know why I kept it because now I feel मुझे इसका color थोड़ा off लग रहा है. It's pure synthetic material. Oh, okay, now I know why I kept it, because it's cropped and I really like this. I don't know. I mean, it's very loose fitted. It's my wife. It's medium in size. 1390 का तो ये वर्थ नहीं है, बट मैंने 1390 नहीं पे किया. बट आई फील जो भी मैंने पे किया इट इज नॉट वर्थ इट बिकॉज क्वाइट सिंथेटिक. But I get it, like it has a vibe like this white color and it has this detail which kind of looks good. I mean, it's okay, it can make up an outfit, but not worth the price. But I really liked it, so I kept it. Then I have one more top. And if you see in the try on video, these sizes in medium, they kind of look bigger on me. So that's what I'm talking about. Some medium is bigger, some large is smaller. So you always have to go through the size chart, never just blind buy. Sometimes you can also fit in small. So yeah, this one was trending. I was seeing like a couple of these kind of tops in the Pinterest. It's quite sheer and it's very loose as well. The reason why I didn't return it is because I really like the color. This is like a very nice yellow color. This one was 1090. Got it a much cheaper rate. और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा soft material है. For that matter, I really kept it. I probably may wear a tube top inside and इसको इन करके पहनेंगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा because ये नीचे से ना कोई structure ही नहीं है. It's not flattering my body type. So I'm probably will in it and उसके बाद ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. So I really like it. All these are for my trips. So okay, the next item is like proper winter sweater, and this one was also trending my Pinterest, and I even in Instagram like I kept seeing this, so मुझे चाहिए था. Oh, this is so nice. This is huge. Again, I think I got it in the size medium only. Yeah, but this is like a off shoulder, not off shoulder, like one shoulder. तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मस्त है. and I really like this strawberry pattern. It flatters so nice. I really hope ये निकल ना जाए. दो स्टिच लगाया है तो आई थिंक ये नहीं निकलेगा. एंड आई रियली वांट टू स्टाइल इट विद अगेन अ लॉन्ग स्कर्ट और अ शॉर्ट प्रॉबेबली विद लाइक लॉन्ग बूट्स. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. बूट्स मैंने खरीदा नहीं है. आई एम प्लानिंग टू चेक अप ऑन द Zudio because boots is something that I'm not gonna use like ever if at all I go to a colder place, which would be like once in a blue moon. और trekking में तो trek shoes लगता है तो I don't want to spend a lot on boots, but this one cost for 12.90. Again, I got it at a much cheaper rate. The price will be on the screen. The next item is a jacket which I really like. तो काफी अच्छा price में मिला. This one is again in the size medium, but only thing is I think I could have gone with a size small, but again like why would I buy a jacket which is not of my size, right? और अभी ये डिलीवर 2 दिन पहले हुआ तो मैं इसको अभी रिटर्न नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि इसको आने में बहुत टाइम लगा. सवाना पे बहुत रील्स बन रहे हैं कि सब कुछ हो जाता है बट सवाना का पार्सल नहीं आता है. सो या यू नो लाइक सवाना के पार्सल्स में बहुत टाइम लगता है. फास्टर डिलीवरी ऑप्शंस जो है दैट कम्स वेरी क्विकली, बट जो स्टैंडर्ड डिलीवरी इट्स लाइक यू ऑर्डर एंड यू फॉरगेट. I don't know whether it's a biker jacket or not. It's a leather jacket. बहुत ही अच्छा इसका क्लॉथ है. और मुझे सिर्फ इतना डर लग रहा है कि ना लेदर के जो भी आइटम्स मैं लेती हूँ ना वो खराब हो जाता है, फंगस लग जाता है या टूट जाता है. तो कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना प्लीज उसका कोई उपाय है क्या. डू यू हैव एनी होम रेमेडी फ्रॉम विच आई कैन लाइक कीप द फंगस अवे फ्रॉम these things. And I think these need to be stored in a certain way. I really am scared of that. I did not exchange because अगर मैं थोड़ी सी put on भी कर देती हूँ तो ये मुझे आ जाएगा. I don't want to go and like waste it just because I put on some few pounds. इसको ऐसा आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा but on the try on video you can see I think fit हो रहा है, काम चला हुआ है. You guys let me know अगर ये इसका fit अच्छा है कि I should have gone a size down. So these are the two winter wear I have. Now everything that I have is a sportswear. I think for this video I'm gonna cut short and this is all for today's video. I think I'm gonna see you in the next video where I'll be talking about the sportswear. Let me know in the comment section आपको ये video अच्छा लगा. Should I do more Savannah haul? जो भी है comment down below. So subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see the sportswear. The next haul that is coming up is a sportswear. I'm not including in this because video बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. So see you next time.